Animated slides are fun, but sometimes in corporate presentations or assignment submissions, you need to submit a presentation in report format. It would help if you had good-looking slides and structure for those. Check this video for some great slide design and structure. Open a blank slide and insert a rectangular shape. Select No Outlines for the slide. Make the width of the shape 5 inches. Change the color of the shape. Now add a rounded edge rectangular shape. Adjust the width and height of that. Make the edges as round as possible. Make 3 more copies of the shape. Place them on the first shape one after another, like in the video. Do the necessary alignments for the rounded shapes. Now select the first shapes and rounded shapes and go to the Format and Merge Shape option. Select Combine. Insert 4 relevant icons for your slide. Adjust the size of the icons. Place them on the rounded shapes one after another. Change the color of the icons to white. Insert a text box with the necessary summary text on the left side. Change the font. I have used Comic Sans for the slide. Insert the other relevant text on the right side of the icons. Align the text boxes. Your first slide is ready now. Add a new blank slide. Add the necessary heading. Change the font. For this, I have used Agency FB font. Now add 2 rectangular shapes of the same sizes in the top half of your slide. Make sure the shapes are of same size. Place them one after the other horizontally. Create 3 more rectangular shapes of different sizes and place them one after another in the bottom half. Make sure the bottom shapes are of different sizes. Select No Outlines for all the shapes. Do the alignments using the Align option under the Format tab. Change the color of the shapes. I have used a color palette for formatting all the shapes in different colors. Add some icons relevant to your content. Place them on the right part of each of the shapes. Align the icons. Change the color to white. Add a rectangular shape inside the first shape. Select No Outline. Right-click and go to the Format Shape option to add some shadow. I have used the Offset Center for the shadow. Change the blur. Copy the shape and paste it inside all the other shapes. Make sure to change the color of the inside shape to the same color of the larger shape. Add necessary text to the box. Use the font agency FB. Select all the large shapes and right-click. Go to Format Object and add shadow. I have used top right. Change the blur points. Your second slide is ready now. Add one more blank slide. Add the heading. Change the font and size. I have used Georgia for the heading. Insert a circle with a hole shape. Hold Shift while drawing the circle to create a perfect circle. Adjust the hollow. Now insert a rounded edge rectangle shape. The next part is slightly complicated. Try to follow the video to do it perfectly. We are creating a shape using a circular shape and a rounded rectangular shape. It is important to follow the steps to create it properly. Once the shapes are ready, group the shapes. Now, make 3 more copies. Place them like in the video. Change the formatting of each of the shapes. Align them using the Format and Align option. Insert 4 relevant icons to your content and place them in the hollow part of the circles. Make sure to change the color to match the color of the respective shapes. Add a text box and add your text. Copy and paste the text box to other shapes. Change the texts for respective boxes. Align the text boxes. Now add text boxes on the right side of each of the shapes. Add your content there for each heading. Change the color of the text to the color of the shapes. Align the text boxes. Your third slide is ready. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like our content. Comment what you want to see next in our channel. Thanks for watching.